Passenger trains on the C&TS. Join us for a look at the regular passenger trains that operate on the Cumbres and Toltec Scenic Railroad. First, we enjoy a few scenes from Antonito heading west, then watch trains tackle the 4% grade from Chama to Cumbres during September of 2014. Superb scenery goes along with great steam action, with historic steam locomotives on their original mountain trackage that was formerly the Denver and Rio Grande Western. Shot over several days, this has a nice variety of locations and trains. It's all yours to enjoy in passenger trains on the C&TS.